Hello everyone. Hope you are all doing well. My name is Alex and I am 12 years old. I would like to welcome you all to my channel. Our history and more. Rugs are like magical carpets that make our homes cozy and colorful. But do you know where they come from? Let's journey through time and discover the fascinating history of rugs. The word rug comes from an old word, rugga, which means rough cover in Scandinavian. Isn't that neat? It tells us that people have been making rugs for a really long time. Imagine a long time ago when people lived in caves. They didn't have soft rugs like we do now. Instead, they used animal skins and grass to cover the floors and keep warm. Can you imagine walking on animal skins all day? I'm sure that will be weird. As time passed, people got smarter and started weaving rugs from wool and other materials. They created beautiful patterns and colors to decorate their homes. Rugs became symbols of wealth and status in many cultures. One of the earliest known rugs was found in Siberia, dating back to around 500 BC. It was made from wool and decorated with colorful patterns. Imagine walking on a rug that's thousands of years old. In ancient Egypt, rugs were used to cover the floors of temples and palaces. They were often decorated with pictures of gods and goddesses. Rugs were also used to wrap the bodies of mummies, protecting them for eternity. During the Middle Ages, rugs became even more popular in Europe. They were used to cover cold stone floors in castles and mansions. Rugs were also used as tapestries to tell stories and display artwork. Fast forward to today, and rugs are everywhere in our homes. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, from fluffy shag rugs to flat woven rugs. Rugs make our homes warm and cozy, and they add a splash of color and style to any room. But rugs aren't just for decoration. They also have practical uses, like keeping our feet warm on cold floors and protecting the floor from scratches and spills. Rugs can even help to reduce noise and make a room feel more inviting. Rugs have been a part of human history for thousands of years. They've evolved from simple coverings to intricate works of art. So next time you walk on a rug, remember the amazing journey it's been on. And hey, if you want to learn more about ancient treasures, check out my awesome video about plates. You'll be amazed at what you discover. And that's the end of this video. Goodbye for now. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, click the notification button and share. If you want to know the history of everyday item, please comment down below and I'll be happy to do a video for you. Thank you for watching and may you have a historical day.